Tesco's down 4%, which is excellent since we're short Tesco. Remember, the only analysis we did was that it's in a downtrend. If you look at the last 5 years, it's struggling to go up. So it falls, tries to go back to where it was, but is unable to hold. So we get lower highs and lower lows. So, this was the low the last time. It easily went to a new low. Then it tried to go up again, couldn't get anywhere near the earlier highs. Then it broke through to a lower low. Again, it tries to go up, can't get near the recent high. It's on its way down. It did stop here. It didn't fall to a lower low immediately, so even here, it didn't fall to a lower low here. But the trend is down. Now I've overlaid some moving averages, since you can do basic technical analysis on this page. Here's the URL. It's in the description below the video, so you can play around with it. I'm looking to get out at 150. So I sold at about 170. That's a quick, actually 100%, since I'm leveraged, and I'm happy with that. So that's just an update on Tesco. Now I want to look at the winners and losers. Again, here's the URL. It's in the description below the video. So with this, and you can do this, you can get this kind of information from many websites, but it's the type of information. So essentially I'm going, the market's gonna fall. It's in a downtrend. Or in particular, I reckon that after the Brexit, there are going to be losers. So there are going to be particular shares that are badly affected by Brexit. So using this kind of chart, where you can look at the winners and losers, or gainers and losers, I want to pick out which are in the loser camp. And Tesco, well, today it's the second biggest loser. That way, I know I can build up a short list of companies to short. Now, I don't want to just have Tesco. And again, I mentioned I really like Tesco. I'm a customer. I do my shopping there. So there's a difference between, liking the company and just trading. Now, if we look, what we basically want to do is regularly have a look at this. Just look at the winners and losers, and certain companies are going to appear on them on a regular basis. So at the moment, Tesco does. Also, Barclays Bank. I haven't been following this recently, so I'm not able to say, this is my shortlist. But you can do it yourself. I mean, that's the idea. And you can trust yourself. If you've done the work yourself, then you know that these are the winners and losers, as opposed to hearing about it secondhand. What I do is also look at what what's the commonality? Who are the groups amongst the losers? And what stands out, or what I can see, is, well, you've got Tesco, which is retail, or which is in retail, which is department stores selling food and that kind of thing, as is Sainsbury's, as is Morrison's supermarkets. I think Whitbread is something. I'll have to check that up again. It might have been to do with bread, but these are big grocery stores in the UK, and obviously they seem to be doing, as a block, doing poorly. Likewise, finance. So Man Group is kind of hedge fundy finance. Royal Bank of Scotland, finance. Barclays, finance. So Prudential, insurance company, but they make most of their money investing in shares. So basically, that whole cut off from Europe, we have to. So you can't base your office in the UK and trade across Europe. That whole process means loads of finance companies are going to have to make substantial changes. They're going to be sacking people, closing down, reducing their office sizes massively. And in Ireland, we're hoping to have a bonanza. So we go, move to Dublin. Dublin, English speaking, legal system similar, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, come over here. And it's just across the Irish Sea. I mean, it's same time zone, all nice and easy. Paris wants some. Germany wants some. So Europe is looking to carve up that huge finance market that was in the UK. And that is reflected in, or I imagine that would be one of the things going on. One of the reasons why these British finance companies are stressed. So I'd be looking to short them. That's just our first look at using winners and gainers, or losers and gainers, to try and create our shortlist of things to short. At the moment, I have Tesco, but even just from having this quick look today, I'm kind of saying, okay, the basic blocks of finance and retail seem to be under threat. So I'd want to kind of look for opportunities in those. If you have any thoughts on how to profit from this opportunity, please comment in the comments below the video as well. Remember to subscribe to be updated when new content is added. Thanks.